Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gold Prospecting at Home. So, one of you commenters suggested a Paydirt from eBay. This guy right here suggested this stuff from Alaska. So I clicked on the link, I went over to eBay, and I picked up a bag. So this is it right here. It's called Alaskan Chunk Gold and Silver Paydirt Concentrates, ¼ pound guaranteed gold and silver. It's by Fang Rarities on eBay. Price was $27.50. Free shipping. We'll check out what he has to say here. It says right here it's the best gold and silver Paydirt around, so you know that's true. Every bag will also include a free rough gemstone. One gemstone, it will be in a separate bag. So that's cool. He also adds one large flake of gold to every order and one silver flake to every order. So that'll be interesting to find some silver. Alaskan River Paydirts, 4 ounces, gold, silver Paydirt concentrate. So reading through this, he doesn't really guarantee an amount of gold. He just says he adds a little bit, like 1 flake of gold, 1 flake of silver, and there's a gemstone in it. So I'm pretty curious to find out what we're gonna find in here. So let's go ahead, take it out to the pan station and chop it open. Okay, here's the packaging, Fang Rarities. Just a regular old envelope, cut it open. Okay. There's our gemstone. Lapis lazuli. I believe you can find this stuff in Minecraft. Cool. And here's the Paydirt. Just a Ziploc bag. Taped up, pretty good. It's doubled down. That's always good. At least he doubled it up. That's always a good thing. And here's our Paydirt. I'm just looking for little specks of gold or anything in there, and I can see one right there. Let's take a closer look at it in the pan. Nice. Okay, let's open it up, dump it out. Get all the little crumbs out of there. And look, the little piece of gold stuck right there. There's actually, what is that, gold flake? Whoa, there's actually gold flake in here. This is blowing around in the breeze. You see that? It's like gold flake. Here's another piece up here on the side. It's like gold leaf, I mean, not gold flake, like gold leaf. That is something I've never encountered before. It's basically weightless gold is what that is. Because gold is super malleable. You can flatten out a piece of gold. Like one little tiny piece, you could actually flatten it out to like a sheet like this big. So let's go ahead and, oh, here's that silver flake right there. That's pretty neat. It's like a miniature hammered coin or something, silver coin. All right, we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna pan it out. We're not gonna classify. I don't see a point. It's only a quarter pound of dirt here. I gotta clean some snow up, get crusty rusty ready, and we'll pan it down. Add a little more water here. And also I always want to add some jet dry to my water, especially since I've seen like that gold leaf stuff like floating in the air. That's a real bad sign. We don't want super light gold, we want chunky heavy gold. So let's go ahead and pan this light. Let's go ahead and pan this stuff out completely, no classification. It's not too dirty. Actually looks pretty good. Looks like there's plenty of black sands in there too. Lots of heavy stuff. I can hear that silver flake rattling around at the bottom. Probably should have removed the black sand with my magnet first. That's okay, there's not much here. Shouldn't take very long. This might be a shorter video. Okay, we are down to the black sands already. Get a little more of the blonde sands out before we spin it around. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, I can see some gold and silver popping up. Nice chunky piece of gold, along with a piece of gold leaf up there. That's the gold leaf. There's a little flat flake floating around. Cool. I've never panned anything with silver in it, and there's quite a bit of silver in here. That's actually pretty cool. It's a nice change. It's a real small piece of gold floating down to get rid of some of these black sands at the bottom. Whoops. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I probably should have removed the black sands with my magnet before doing this, but I think you guys get a good idea of what's in here in this product from Fang Rarities on eBay. So let's go ahead and clean this up. We'll separate the gold and silver, dry it out, and weigh it up, see what the value is. And once again, I just want to show it what it looks like in the pan. There's our little bit of gold right there, and our silver. I'm gonna go ahead and dry this out. We'll take it over to the scale, weigh it up, and see what the value is. Okay, let's zero our scale out. There, we're set to 0. I'm gonna weigh up these silver flakes first. Just curious to see what they weigh. So we've got 1.445 grams. 1.444 for the silver. Let's check out the gold. And there's our tiny amount of gold right there, and it weighs up to be 0.027, which is very small amount of gold. Let's go ahead and plug these numbers into silver and gold calc online, and we'll see what the value is. Also, this piece of lapis lazuli right here, I looked it up on eBay, and they're pieces that are like the size of my hand that are selling for like 10 bucks. So, I mean, this is maybe, you know, if you put it in a ring or something, you might get like $2, $3 for it. So we'll be nice and add $2 to the final value. All right, let's go ahead and enter in the silver first. 1.444 grams, and there you go. And that's at 100% silver purity, 999.999%, and it isn't, it probably isn't. It might be 99%, I don't know, but we're just calling it pure as possible. That's the maximum value that could be, 65 cents. Let's check out our gold value. Over here we've got 0.027 grams of 18 karat gold. I like to call it 18 karat gold because I've tested gold, natural gold purity from all over the country and Canada, and the best average is 18 karat. Go ahead and hit calculate, and there you go, 79 cents worth of gold and 65 cents worth of silver. You do the math, plus we'll put $2 in for that gem, and it cost me $27.50. I'll leave it up to you guys to decide if that's a good bargain. Now, actually, it was kind of cool. I got to pan out, find a little bit of silver. I'd never seen that before. A lot of that gold leaf just vanished. It probably floated on top of the water and right out of the pan. Even though I put jet dry in it, it's impossible to pan out gold leaf. In one of my older videos, I dealt with some gold leaf in a bottle of liquor, and a lot of people are always asking, why don't you just dry it out and weigh it up? Well, I'd like to see you try to handle and play around with gold leaf. It's almost impossible. It just blows away with the slightest breeze. Plus, it was a lot of fun condensing it down to a little chunk in that video. So that answers that question. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you like the shirt, there's links in the description to all the Klesh Guitars merchandise and equipment used in the video. I always put links down there. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. I put out a new video every 3 days. That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching.